Hello, teachers and parents and students. Today, I'm super excited to introduce to you the brand new Reading Coach for web and Windows. Reading Coach is an app that our students can use to create stories they want to read using artificial intelligence. Yes, it's a way to engage our students and improve reading fluency with AI-powered stories and personalized practice. Your students will love it. So I'm over here. This is a brand new preview. If you go to coach.microsoft.com and you go in there, parents and guardians and students can start right here. Educators, you have a lot of information and resources here by joining the educator community. And finally, our IT administrators have already signed up so that our students will eventually be able to use their school email to do this. But for now, parents, if you want to get started with Reading Coach, go ahead and go to Get Started. There's more information in here that you can look at. Let's go ahead and get started. When you go in there, it's going to ask you for an email, okay? So if you don't have an email account with Microsoft, which is completely free, Outlook or Hotmail, just create one. But if you have one, go ahead and just type it in. And remember, the emails for school do not work yet, but it's coming soon. So just use a personal one. Okay, let's go ahead and sign in here. And once you sign in the first time, it's going to ask you to agree. So I'm agreeing to the public preview, and I'm interested in joining the community team if I want to. It's completely up to you. I'm going to continue, but I want you to see what's going to do, okay? So you have the ability, or your student, to create a story using AI. You also have the ability to read a passage from their library, and there is a lot of passages here, level 1, level 2, all the way to level 8. It will tell you the lexile level, basically, if it's fiction and nonfiction, and also how many words. So that is reading from passage. You can add your own passage. Maybe you have that little writer that likes to write their own stories. You have the ability to come in here and add your own passage, and here just copy and paste and give it a title. But what makes Reading Coach amazing is the ability for our students to use AI and to personalize their stories by just clicking in here and saying, you know what, I want this story to have a lion, for instance, in my story, and I want it to take place in an island. How about that? And I'm going to say which level I am. So I'm going to go to level 2. Notice that our students have Immersive Reader available right here. If they wanted to use the tools that we have taught them with Immersive Reader, it's right there. But I'm going to choose level 1, and I chose my lion, and I also chose, I think, in an island. So here it is, okay? So notice what happened. It's going to ask you to allow your mic, so I'm just going to allow it. And it's created. So now here's the story. Our students have the ability to use Immersive Reader to change the color maybe, right? Other tools of Immersive Reader in here. But I'm going to press Start Reading. So here it goes. 3, 2, 1. And I'll make some mistakes. Lila is a girl lion. She lives on an island. She is thirsty and sees a coconut tree. She can't climb the tree. Lila is alone and help. What will Lila do? And when your students are done, they go to the bottom over here and they press stop, and notice that they can choose now what's going to happen next. So they have control and choice on their story, okay? And they can choose, maybe I want an unlikely ally on the story, or maybe I want a surprising solution, or if I'm done reading, I can see results. But let's kind of continue our story. So the students are choosing their story now. So here it goes. Here comes chapter 2, and does the same thing. Start reading. Lila looks around and sees a monkey. She asks the monkey, can you help me climb the coconut tree? Students will continue reading like I said before. Let's go ahead and stop. And again, I have a choice. I can continue discovering the source of the noise that was coming up in the reading, or hiding from the unknown danger. So the students have choice to continue their story. Let's keep reading. Let's do the last chapter so we can see it. Lila asks the monkey, where's the noise coming from? The monkey listens and says, I think it's from the ocean. Lila thanks the monkey and they go check. It's only the waves. They play on the beach together, glad to be friends. And I want you to see what happens. So I did all 3 chapters, and now it gave me my accuracy for the last one. It tells me my reading time again, my accuracy. I can start over, I can read something else, or I can use Reading Coach to practice the words. These are the words that I had trouble with. So practice words. I can come in here and listen to it.
These words were the most challenging for you. Select any word to tackle them again.
So I can listen to it.
Friends, when you're ready, press the microphone and read the word out loud.
I can stretch it if the word was longer, and I can see a picture. Friends.
Great reading.
And I can continue practicing the words that I had trouble with. Again, this is actually Reading Coach. It's in preview right now, and your students have the ability once you sign up with a Microsoft email account that is completely free. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.